Formula for updated currency exchange rates in Excel or other spreadsheets. What kind of spreadsheets support a formula like the following? The result should be $3,000 exchanged into euros. Possibly a date could be provided for a historic exchange rate. Alternatively, the average for the last month or so. I would use such a feature all the time, and it has to be relevant for so many other users. I prefer working in Excel, but online spreadsheets like Google or Zoho is also fine.
Here are some options for you. Google Spreadsheets. There's a Google Spreadsheet script that returns the exchange rate between euro and a currency that you specify. Data is supposedly from the European Central Bank. Setup. Open a Google Docs spreadsheet. Click Insert is greater than script is greater than search for ECB exchange rate. Install it. Usage. *** with quotes on the date. This will return the exchange rate between USD and Euro for the date millimeter, DD, YYYY. Unfortunately, the data source isn't updated. Calculating between two currencies. For example, we want to get the USD JPY rate for today. Get Euro to US dollar and Euro JPY using the formula above. Divide the Euro JPY rate by the Euro to US dollar rate. You get USD JPY. Excel. I don't believe such a function exists for Excel, at least by default. You can, however, set up a sheet that imports data from an online exchange rate table like the one on the Yahoo Finance page. Finance.yahoo.com is greater than investing is greater than currencies is greater than currencies investing is greater than cross rates. You can then set up a VLOOKUP or index match formula to get the relevant exchange rates for you. Setup. Create a new sheet, recommended. Click data is greater than from web is greater than enter the following URL. Click the yellow arrow beside the exchange rate table. The arrow should turn into a green check mark. Click Import. Click Properties. Under Refresh Control, specify how often you want Excel to retrieve new data, or pick Refresh Data when opening the file. Click OK, then wait for Excel to load the data. To refresh the data, just hit Ctrl-Alt-F5. The data on the Yahoo Finance page is pretty limited, but it covers the most popular currencies. You can use other sources, such as the website. This URL has historical rate tables which you can consolidate.
In Google Spreadsheets, getting current exchange rates is very easy with the built-in Google Finance querying function. E.g. to get the current rate for US dollar to euro. This will work for all exchange rates Google Finance is tracking. See this URL for more examples.
This Excel spreadsheet connects to a web service, Oanda, to automatically download historical exchange rates. This URL. The varba is exposed, so you can hack away at the code I wrote. You should be able to create a function like which uses a 30-day average exchange rate or something.
I have been using the plugin below for quite some time. Works great for me. It uses Yahoo API and MSN Money website to get live currency rates in Excel exposed as custom functions. IE equals FX_convert, 100, USD, EUR. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.